Hey, welcome back to Let's Take. It's your boy Lucky, and today we got some iPhone 11 Pro cases from Ciel by Chanel. I want to give them a big shout out for sending these cases out for me to review. I actually used the case in the past and they're really amazing. But today we've got Ciel by Chanel. I'm really sorry, I don't know how to pronounce these names, they're so complicated, but these cases retail for $25. I'll leave a name in the description as always. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching Let's Take. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So they sent me out 3 different cases. We've got the wavy back, we've got the color brick, and we've got a leather case. And this yellow matches my jumper, so we're gonna check out that last, and we will start with this one here. So all these cases retail around $20 to $25. I'll leave a link in the description for all of the cases, and if I have a coupon code, I'll leave that in the description as well. But yeah, let's check this out. So inside we've got a little "Hey you, you've got great taste. Cannot wait to see how it looks on your phone. Thank you for choosing. Stay inspired. Be you." Well, that's a nice little message. And this is the wavy back, and that is nice. Ooh, I like this touch. Ooh, we've got lines around us. Ooh, got some nice little patterns here. And this one should have some military grade protection as well, so that is good. So this is like a really sturdy case, but not like heavy duty case. It should be fine with light drops, and it feels good to grip. You got these little ribs as well, what they call them. But yeah, so we've got this little wavy back that feels nice and it fades really well to the edge, so that's good. We've got this little gold touch here. We've just got some lines going around, and this side we've actually got the logo, so that's nice. But let me put this onto my case. So let's get rid of the case I'm using now. Let's just plug that in, and that looks nice, I have to say. Feels decent, I have to say. But lip protection, we do get a tiny bit of lip protection, so that's a good thing. On the back, the camera cut out nice and wide. We do have this little gloss bit here, so it looks nice. Buttons, let's try them. Let's try the power button. Looks fine. Let's try the volume rockers. Nice and clicky. No issue there. Mute switch, perfect, no issue as well, so that's a good thing. At the bottom, we've got a decent cutout for your lighting port as well as your speaker grill, as well as your mic, so that's good. But I have to say, this feels really nice in the hand. Like the touch is like really different, but it looks nice. Absolutely, I do like that gold touch. It goes really well with my gold iPhone. But everything feels nice, I have to say. It's a very simple case, and for $20, yeah, nothing here to complain. Feels nice, feels good. Yeah, it looks good. I'm happy with it. But yeah, let's check out the next case. So these are some of the color bricks case. They come in a few different colors, and you do get extra buttons as well, because you can swap out the buttons, which is amazing. So I've got the navy blue here. So let's take this out and get the buttons as well. We've got the same card inside, and you probably don't want to care about that. So we've got a navy blue touch around it with some orangey, like mustard yellow, I would say. Looks nice. It's not bad anything. It's a nice blue yellow to the navy blue, and we have this frosted back, which looks nice. And we've got a little yang cord there as well. Let me put this case on to see how that looks. Let's get rid of the buttons first. So always volume rocker in first. Fits nicely. Looks good, I have to say. Let's try the buttons first of all. Let's try the switch. Works fine. Let's try the volume rockers. No issue there. Mute switch. No issue. So that's a good, decent cutout. And we do get a bit of lip protection at the front. It's not huge, but it's there. So the back, yeah, the cutout is nearly precise. We can see some of the matte finished, which I don't like to see. If I got a case on, I want it to fully cover, but at the bottom, you've got decent cutout for your lighting part as well as speaker grill. But yeah, it looks nice. Oh, we do have branding here. Oh, the branding is here. Oh, I didn't notice that, but it's there. It's really hard, but you can see it. Not sure how well that's picking up on camera. But yeah, this feels nice. Let's try and swap up the buttons. The good thing about these brick cases, you can get these, you get extra buttons included. So for mine, I've got some black ones, but there's a few different color options online. But let me try the black ones. Let's see if I can get these out. So you get all three of them, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change my volume buttons. I'm gonna keep the yellow power switch. Try these ones. So make sure you use the right size, because one of them is flat and one of them is a bit texture. The texture side will go texture. The little flat side will go towards your phone. So just remember that. Yeah, goes in perfectly. You just feel it and you can see one is flat and one is a bit curved. That seems fine. So let's try and put it back in again. And let's just try. Yep, no issue there, I have to say. Now, ooh, the black looks way better than the navy blue. What do you think? Navy blue with the blue? Navy blue with the black or the navy blue with the gold? Let me know in the comment section which you like the most. I have to say, this is nice, and you can see you've got the Ciel. You've got the logo here as well. Ciel by Cirill. Nice and faded, but yeah, it's nice. Let's just put these buttons in so I don't lose them in case I want to change them around. But what we're gonna check out, this leather case, which matches my jumper, I'm assuming. Let's take it out. So this is one of the leather, so basic leather cases. And this comes in a few different leather options as well. Yes, it's not the same as mine here, because this is a padded one. This is just more soft, and you've got gold buttons. You do have some nice cloth inside. You can see this is the basic leather. And this one is called the basic. But yeah, looks nice, I have to say. I like this yellow one. Let's try and put it on. So of course everyone's not gonna rock a yellow case on a daily basis, but when I'm wearing a yellow jumper, yeah, yellow case shouldn't be a bad look. Yeah, I'll say it's a nearly match, but does look nice. Really nice to have like a gold logo here, like they did here. Very nice, but still, though, minimal logo looks nice as well. But let's try the buttons. Let's go with the power button first. No issue there. Let's go volume rockers. Looks fine. Nice and clicky, and these buttons feels really nice. Mute switch. Ooh, tight, but works fine. And volume. And for the bottom, you don't need to worry. You got a nice big cutout with your speaker grill and your lightning port, so that's good. But the camera bump is the camera cutout is really good. So you do have that black little piece inside, which I don't like. I think it would have been nice to have a matching gold piece with the buttons. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Say, it looks fine. But this leather feels really nice, and you know leather cases always gets better after the aging and just some scraps and marks like mine has. You can see it just got a lot of marks everywhere, but it still looks nice. It gives its own unique taste, and you've got a big cutout there. But yeah, I'll give this leather case a try and see how it goes. But yeah, for $25, it's half of what Apple charges, so you can't go wrong there. You do get a color brick case and in a few different colors, and you've got this black wavy case which looks really nice. And for the price, they actually good. They feel strong, nice materials. The leather, it's nice and soft there, I have to say that. And I do like the inner touch as well. You get micropropylene cloth. Some cheap leather cases don't do that, but this one does, and it's nice. And the gold buttons, it's another extra level touch there, I have to say. But overall, for the price, I'm really happy with all of these cases. If you do want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description as always. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my latest video. And always, as always, Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next one. Take care.